ChatGPT versus Gemini 3. Today we are going to see which AI tool can make the best road rash game in 10 minutes. This is the prompt I'm going to be using. As you can see, you're a senior game developer and a Three.js expert specializing in arcade racing, physics, and procedural environment generation. So as you can see, we'll be using HTML, CSS, and Three.js library. That will be the only library. So we'll just copy this prompt. We'll head over to our first AI tool, which is ChatGPT. We'll start a new chat. Okay, we paste the prompt. We let it cook. And for those who need the prompt, I will leave it in the comment section, so we can get from there. Okay, so let's see what we got. Okay, so it has given us the HTML. We'll paste it in our VS Code. Okay, we'll make sure we link the files appropriately. Okay, slash. And then .js. Okay, same thing with the CSS. Okay, so there we go. Okay, we'll copy the styles. We paste. And the JavaScript. Let's just check and see if there's any other thing. Okay, we're good. Paste it. Okay, so we have like 248 lines of code. I'm just hoping this is good. Okay, moment of truth. So let's run it. Let's see if ChatGPT can give us a better game. I mean, we want something like Road Rash, so it should look like Road Rash. Okay, so let's start our server. Okay, loading assets. Let's see. Let's just wait a little bit. I mean, it looks like I was awaiting GTA 6. Okay, nothing yet. Still loading assets. Let me just check and see if there are some instructions which ChatGPT gave to us. So let's check it out. From the folder contain the index file server and it's telling me to do this. Okay, I see there were some packages which we needed to install, so I just ran that command which ChatGPT gave to us to install those packages. Wow, this is taking longer than I thought. Okay, so it's done installing. It's asking us for some special permission. Okay, so let's just say follow this. Uh, Still nothing yet. I don't know why ChatGPT is doing this. I mean, it has been loading assets forever. And it returns an error 404, which that should be like page not found.
It's the biggest piece of dog shit that I have ever heard.
I mean, it makes it very difficult. Like, if you don't know what you're doing, then you can't actually use ChatGPT to build your game, which is not good. So, anyway, this is all for ChatGPT. I'll be moving on to the next AI tool, which will be Gemini 3. Okay, so we'll just head back to our prompt. We copy, head over to Gemini, add a new chat. Okay, make sure you're thinking mode. We don't want fast result. We want you to think, take its time to think, and give us a good something. Okay, nigga, here we go. Impress me, Gemini 3. Okay, oh, okay. Hoping Gemini 3 doesn't give me something difficult like how ChatGPT did. I mean, it's cooking, guys. Okay. Okay, so it's done. I'll just copy the HTML, erase what ChatGPT gave me. Here's a new one. I ensure that everything is actually connected properly to the source. Same thing for the CSS. Okay, copy the styles, erase the old one. Wow, it's looking long. I mean, ChatGPT gave me like maximum of like 30 lines of code, and here I can see like 100 or something. So I'm expecting a better game. This script. Okay, here's the script part. Okay, and there we go. Okay, so let's run this and see if we get something good. Please subscribe and drop in the comment section what you think this will look like. Okay, running our server. Okay, it's loading assets. Let's just wait for it to finish. Oh my god! Oh my god! Like seriously, guys, this is incredible.
What?
Jesus, I feel like, oh my god, it did everything on its own. I mean, we've got a little speedometer over there. We've got a distance to finish. Then I don't know, is that a health bar? Uh, yeah, some buildings. I don't know. I can't find any racers. Bro, who am I racing with? But I'm sure with a little bit of tweaking, we can get this up to the full grade. I mean, this is actually a very nice experience. Though my speed limit does not cross 18, I don't know why. What will happen if you like leave the road? Let's try and see. Okay, there's a collider. Wow, impressive. Gemini 3, impressive as always. This is good, guys. This is good. This is good. This is so good. I will recommend it. I approve. I approve. So yeah, I mean, it's easy to make. It didn't ask me for any string of whatsoever, copy and paste, note this or that. It just gave me the game directly. I didn't have to stress. So, in terms of ease of use, Gemini 3 actually won this, and even with the game which he gave to me, it's actually good, guys. So, it just needs a little bit of tweaking. And for those who made it wrong, like I said, I will leave it in the comment section so you can take it from there. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe. Help me continue uploading videos like this for you, and happy new year in advance.